Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce thank you in Japanese. On a separate video we will work on a more polite version. This word is pronounced ARIGATO, 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 ARIGATO. Looking at the pitch accent for experienced learners, A starts at a low pitch, it goes up onto a higher pitch with ri, and then goes down again already at ga. The rest is low. Arigato. Note that the O at the end is long. You may find it spelled as a O-U or as a O with a little extension symbol at the top. It is the same. It's still pronounced as a long O. You don't pronounce it arigato. It's arigato. It's usually written in hiragana. You do have a kanji to write it, but it's not really used in Japan as much. So for now, we'll just learn the hiragana version. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.